Let us now learn little bit about strings. We have seen some until now. We will be learning a little bit more. So string can be enclosed in a single quotations, or you can enclose them in a double quotation. Both are same. But we can now print A, print B as we know, but we can also add the strings A plus B. So this will add the both strings. Here plus sign stands for concatenation. Hello world. Suppose we have C is equal to 55. Now if you want to print A plus C, it will give error because of typo error. It is a integer type and this one is a string type. It will show error. So how can we do this? A plus, we should have to first convert the C into the string, and now it is concatenated. So whenever you declare a variable, so because Python is an object oriented program, this is a object now, object to the class string, and this is a object to the class string. So A and B are objects also. So objects can access the methods. So we will be learning what is a class, what is a object, and what is a method in upcoming section. Don't worry about that, but now just follow what I am telling here and replicate and practice that. So now always remember that. For now just remember A is a object of a string, B is a object of a string, because we are assigning the string. So now because they are objects, we can access the methods of the string. So methods of the strings, some of them are like we can use with the dot upper. Now A is converted to the upper, but still A is having the lowercase only. So how to change the value inside the A to the upper? We can write A is equal to A dot upper. Now A will be containing the uppercase, and there is also a function lower, but still it contains upper. To convert it completely, A is dot lower. So if you want to know what are the functions like A dot lower, you can just write A dot and just wait for a second. It will displace all the methods inside the string. This can be used by the object. For now just remember that A is a object of a string. All this you can use. So what are these? If you want, you can use the help as we have discussed earlier. So, and if you want to find the length, we have seen we should have to, why we are using len and why we are not using like this, because len is not a method of a string. It is just a general function available. B, length of the B is 6. And one more thing, when we are declaring hello world and finding the length of A, it is telling 11. So always remember that the index starts with 0 and ends with 10. 0 to 10 means 11. So suppose we want to find the first character. So for this we will be using square brackets inside that 0. And now if you want to find the 7th character, if you always put +1, 8th. So R is the 8th one. So like this we can play around with the strings. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.